Hi, my name is Ellie and I work for Mr. Brower as paralegal for over 18 years. I've seen so many results that we may call them miracles. He's still that old-fashioned attorney that cares for his client, and he will continue to work for his clients until he gets the results that he wants. This book is filled with testimonials from happy clients. As you could see, there are too many to be able to read. I'm only going to read a few of them. Okay? Here's one, and we're keeping the name anonymous to protect the writer. It says, Ellie, thank you for your patience and help with our case. I would like to have Mr. Brower know that his time and help were worth every penny from the first minute we met. I am in awe of his presence and demeanor and how he carries himself in group of peers. It seems he's in total control and has nothing in the world to worry about as far as this case is concerned. His confidence in the outcome of our wishes was always been straightforward and honest. He is truly one of a kind in the courtroom and life as well. I refer often to his short but effective stories of life experience where he shared with us his own personal experiences that helped me cope, knowing that this kind of thing happens to the best of them. Please share with Mr. Brower that I have nothing but total respect for you and he both, fondly and with great respect. Mr. Brower and Ellie, I wanted to drop a quick note to say thank you so much for helping me with my first case. Since I was at work and not able to really speak, I was not able to express my appreciation. I wanted to say thank you so much for helping me get my case rejected. It was nice to finally be able to smile and breathe, even if it's just for a night. I know we are even in a bigger fight now, but I wanted to make sure I said thank you. At this point in my life, I want everyone to know how much I appreciate you for helping me. Thank you again. I wanted to say we are real people that have experienced the pain that you're going through, because unfortunately we've had family members that have gone through what you might be going through right now. So we understand your fear and your concern. I could tell you how many times people come in and they're devastated with tears in their eyes, but by the time this whole legal journey is over, they leave with a smile on their face and happy to get their lives back. That is priceless to see. Here's another letter I would like to share. It says, I want to thank you with heartfelt gratitude for literally giving me back my life. I know the negotiations you had to go through were very strenuous, and I truly appreciate your knowledge and skills required to absolve all my charges and restore my good standing within the community. Please extend my thanks to Ellie and the rest of your staff for their professional support through a very emotional time for me. I know they were working very hard behind the scene to make sure all the paperwork was completed on a timely basis. My deepest gratitude to all your staff for all their hard work. I am free to return to work and will soon be free to start a new life. I am grateful to you and most humbly grateful to the Lord for his protection over me. With warm regards. One thing I could tell you from working in the legal field for so long, I know who's who and I know what they could do. But when my son got in trouble, there's no one I trusted but Mr. Brower to represent him. So I could assure you, you will be in good hands. Here's another letter. It says, Ron, thank you so much for your kind words. I appreciate so much all you did for my son, Bobby. You brought him such relief when he was so desperate and needed reassurance. When you walked in that courtroom, Bobby told me he was so proud you were his attorney, and so was I. Thank you. I can assure you that when you call, you will be able to talk to me and I will listen to your problem. I will schedule an appointment as soon as possible to see Mr. Brower. We understand your fear, your concern. I've been there, I've done that. I know that with my own son. And like I said before, there's no one else that I trusted than Mr. Brower. There's not a case that is too small or a case that is too big for us. We understand and we'll hold your hand through all this. So you will be taken care of, in my mind and my heart, from the best.